Welcome to myprojectbuzzer.com. Title is multiple mail forwarding to single transfer. And this is our abstract. Email forwarding generically refers to operation of resending an email messages delivered to one mail address to a possible different mail addresses. The term forwarding has no specific technical meaning. Users and administrators of email systems uses the same terms when speaking of both service-based and client-based forwarding. The mail forwarding services offered by postal authorities should be distinguished from private mail forwarding services. Private mail forwarding services tends to offer additional services and needs that might not be provided by governmental services, such as mail scanning services, online mailboxes, and the selection of domestic and international delivery options. Email administrators sometimes use the term redirection as a synonyms for server-based email forwarding to different recipients. Protocol engineers sometimes use the term mediator to refer to a forwarding server. Email forwarding can also redirect mail going to one address and send it to one or several other addresses. Vice versa, email items going to several different addresses can converge via forwarding to end up in a single address inbox. This paper considers the problem of secret communications over a multiple access mail with generalized forward to trusted users in independent confidential messages to an intent receiver in the presence of a multiple mail. In the settings, an active cooperation between two trusted users is enabled in order to improve the communication efficiency based on rate splitting and decoder and forwarder strategies. Achievable secrecy rate regions. Result shows that multiple forward improves achievable secret rates. In post offices and other mail services provides typically offers a mail forwarding services commonly known as hybrid mail or a virtual postbox mail to redirect mail destined for one location to another, usually for a given period. In the case of United States Postal Services first class mail, it is generally for a period of 1 year. British Royal Mail provides a service called mail redirection, enabling for 2 years. Customers of such services usually but not exclusively use mail forwarding when they change addresses. Plain messages forwarding changes the envelope receipt and leave the envelope sender's field untouched. The envelope sender field does not equate to the from header which mail client software usually displays. It represents a field used in the early stages of SMTP protocol and subsequently saved as a written path header. And this field holds the address to which mail system must send bounce messages reporting delivery failures or success, if any. By contrast, the term remaining of redistributions can sometimes mean resending the messages and also rewriting the envelope sender field. Electronic mailing list furnishes a typical messages. Authors submit messages to a reflector then perform remailing to each list addresses. And that way bounce messages will not reach the author of the message. However, annoying misconfiguration vacation auto replies do reach authors. Typically, plain messages forwarding does alias expansions, while proper messages forwarding, also named forwarding code services for mailing lists, when additional modification to the messages are carried out so as to rather resemble the actions of a mail user agent submitting an email message. The term forwarding becomes a deceptive and remailing seems more appropriate. In sender policies framework, the domain name in the envelope sender remains subject to the policy restrictions. Therefore, SPF generally disallows plain messages forwarding intra-domain redirectional compliance with the SPF as long as the relevant service shares the consistent configurations. And this is our project flow, which is mean as a data flow. First, the sender authentication will be tested, then mail infrastructure will be created as per the sender. Then the criteria satisfaction. In this criteria satisfaction, we will be satisfying the criteria of sending multiple mails to a single user. Then protocol enhancement. These multiple mails will be sent through a it will not be sent to a normal protocol. It will be sent to a protocol which has been enhanced. Then the multiple mail forwarding process will be carried out in a sequence manner. And this is a project execution. Just right click on home button and click on a run file and click on home screen. I am entering my email ID 8399 at gmail.com. I can get three options like compose, inbox, and logout. I'll be composing my mail for this. I am sending the mail to the same mail ID and subjects regard demo. I this is I am composing my mail. Mail sent successfully. Mail has sent successfully. And back and inbox, I was getting my mails. It will take little time. You can see my mail inbox. This my recently sent mails. This I only had 53 to read. I'm able to see the content. I'm selecting these two. This and now I'm selecting 46th mail. 46th. This also I'm selecting here and forwarding. You can able to get the mails which have been selected for forward. In this, I'm pasting the same mail ID and click on send button. Forward the mail sent successfully. This logout and this mail which has been forwarded has been sent as some group mails. Thank you.